Hi everyone, this is Dan with the Webaround, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your Webaround Green Screen with Zoom. The whole process should take about 2 minutes and will ensure that your virtual background is set up and ready to go. Let's jump into it. To start, Zoom requires that you enable virtual backgrounds for your account. We're going to be starting by navigating to zoom.us in your preferred browser, logging in, and selecting My Account at the top right. Next, we're going to the left sidebar and selecting Settings. This is what will allow us to tweak our Zoom defaults in the actual desktop client. On the secondary sidebar, let's select In Meeting Advanced, and we're going to locate Virtual Background from this list. Toggle it, and we are now set up to have a virtual background in our Zoom meetings. Next up, we're going to be locating the Zoom desktop client and opening it. For this tutorial on setting up the virtual background, we're going to be selecting Start a Meeting with Video to show the steps, but this can be recreated in any meeting you create or are invited to. Once you're in the meeting room, navigate to the bottom left to the video icon. Click the arrow up next to that, and you should see the option Choose a Virtual Background from the list. Select this, and the Virtual Background Settings window will now pop up. This is where we will adjust the chroma key and enable a photo for your background. Start by selecting your photo that you want to use as the background. Once you have this loaded in, click on it, and your background should begin to chroma. If it is not an even chroma, don't worry. There are some things that we can do to get better coverage. First, at the bottom of the settings window, click on the small box underneath the Manually Pick the Color of the Background paragraph. This box contains the color that Zoom is trying to use to chroma key. You can use this box to pick the most consistent green on the Webaround and use the mouse icon to select that color. If you're still having issues with the chroma key, ensure that you have proper lighting on your left and right sides. Your ideal lighting will be 2 lights pointing at you from 45-degree angles. Lighting helps provide a more even color across the board, which leads to a better chroma key. And that's it! You've now successfully added a virtual background to your Zoom meetings, setting you apart from the rest of your attendees. For more information on integrating a Webaround Green Screen into Zoom, feel free to drop us a line in email or direct message us on Twitter. Links are in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.